Hi, this is Patrick from MarketKeep, a marketing agency for small businesses and startups. We absolutely love the Divi theme for our customers because it allows us to, build a website based off of the parameters that we want, but also gives our customers the ability to have a visual component when they want to go in and edit the website as well. So one of the questions that we get a lot is actually how do we install Google Analytics onto our Divi themed website? Well, if you're a customer of ours, you actually get that process for free. We'll do that for you. But if you have your own Divi website and need help installing that, this is the perfect video for you. So if you're looking to install Google Analytics on your website, you'll actually navigate over to your Analytics tab. It's as simple as typing in the URL analytics.google.com. Right now we actually have a demo account up for Google Analytics, but you'll navigate down to the bottom of the screen where it says admin on the left hand side. There's a little gear icon here. You'll select admin, and it'll actually populate three different tabs for you: your account, your property, and your view. What you'll actually select is tracking info, which can be found in your property settings. Select tracking code, and you'll actually want to copy and paste this global site tag that Google Analytics has created for you based off of your account. Once you've copied that, you'll actually log into the back end of your WordPress dashboard. Once you have copy and pasted the code, you'll actually log into the back end of your website and go all the way down to the Divi theme. Now we already have it open here, but what you'll actually do is select integration, which is the second to last tab in the Divi theme options. You'll scroll down to the part where it says add code to the body, good for tracking codes such as Google Analytics. So Divi has actually established where you should be putting this, so it's really simple to do. And then you'll just copy and paste that code right here into the script. What's great about Divi is that this is a perfect place to install your Google Analytics code, your Facebook pixel codes, and whatever other type of tracking methods that you want to use for your website. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact MarketKeep. We love helping out, and we hope you appreciated this video.